What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at this 2011 Ford Mustang GT with the 5.0 engine. However, as Mike is popping the hood right now, this car has around 1,000 horsepower. And as you can see underneath the hood, we have a single turbo, a big turbo about the size of my head, and the Boss 302 intake manifold. So this car is pretty crazy looking already. You can see the intercooler up front and the front mounted exhaust. We're gonna hit the road with it and hopefully not die.
Back in one piece.
And have some fun. Huge shout out to Champion Car Company. These guys have a ridiculous selection of pre-owned cars. Check them out. I'll have their link down in the description below. So anyways, Mike, are you ready?
Yeah, let's go for a spin, literally.
Let's get it.
So it's time. Fire this up.
This is gonna be loud from my perspective.
Ready? Up just a little bit.
So we have an automatic and a turbo. So we're gonna see how crazy this thing is. We'll get a little bit of air going just because it is pretty toasty out.
That's one thing I'm not a huge fan of, putting all this work into an automatic, but
if you're drag racing
it.
And talking with the guys here, this car, the previous owner, built it for drag racing. So of course you want an automatic for that.
Yeah. Although it would be fun to have 1,000 with a manual. I know it's faster than you can handle it.
But yeah, for a car that is good for straight line, of course you want the automatic to get you quicker shifting.
Yeah.
It's not that loud given the exhaust is right in front of us.
Yeah, from my perspective here, I can barely hear it now. We're just coasting.
Yeah.
But once we let the car warm up just a little bit here.
And it's about 100 degrees out, so if we're sweating,
yeah.
This car is sitting outside today, and of course it's a black car, so it's toasty.
It's definitely worth it though to check this out. This is the fastest Mustang we've ever been in.
Yes.
We've been in the GT500. I wasn't able to drive that.
Yeah. And that's supercharged, so you get instant power. This being turbo, and it's a big turbo, so you would think there's gonna be some lag.
We were told a little bit of lag.
It'll take a little bit to build, and then holy crap, it's gonna be ridiculous.
Now it would be cool if this had some paddle shifters.
Yeah, this is yeah, before Mustang really did that.
It is a little bit loud under light acceleration. We're only at 2,000 RPM.
Well, we'll go this way at least.
This way?
Of course, we get all this traffic with a car like this.
All right, you ready?
Give it a little bit of
bit of gas. Nothing crazy yet.
Wow, the blow-off noise is crazy.
Yeah, that was a little introduction.
Yeah, that wasn't really anything yet. Whoa.
Alright, and that was only like 40 miles an hour.
That's not going to come off on camera, but the hairs on my arm started to stick up a little bit. I'm sweating for many reasons already in this car.
Yeah, this is exhilarating. And I'm not even doing anything crazy. Like
that was barely like 5,000 RPM.
Yeah.
And whoever buys this car,
wow.
You hit the drag strip, it already, I think, had some meaty tires on it. I didn't really look at them exactly.
Yeah. Well, aside from having 1,000 horsepower, everything is pretty much normal that you would find in a Mustang.
Pretty comfortable.
For a daily driver type. So I'll give it a little bit more gas. You ready?
Yeah,
Let's get straight.
Yeah. So we have the solid rear axle, which is definitely better for the power for straight line.
And I was just laying into it, like that wasn't pedal to the floor either.
I can't imagine. I don't know.
Yeah? I might give it a little bit more juice.
Yeah.
I'm feeling a little more comfortable.
Still a Mustang. These are known to go crazy. So.
Yeah. I don't want to face that way at all.
Be the stereotypical video.
But yeah.
That's very smooth power.
Alright, here's 20. Alright, and here we go.
Put the blood in the back of my head, and that's not even close to redlining. Like that's just bathing it.
Wow,
this would smoke the GTR. I think if you were optimal power band. Holy crap!
We should have brought the GTR.
Man, that's up there.
That was 55 really quick.
Yeah.
It's weird though, because at least from my perspective, I don't know from your perspective, it's not like as loud.
Yeah.
Like it's throwing me back in the seat, and there's, I don't know, it's weird to say there's not a lot of drama to it, but you just get up and like we're already there. Like
it's a lot of just turbo spool noise.
Yeah.
And very smooth delivery, like very smooth power. Actually.
Right. It feels like we're in a Bentley, just like
Yeah.
you know, like rolling up to speed. It's not like holy crap GTR. Like
Yeah.
now I'm not, you know.
I think
drive that car harder.
I think because it's a big single turbo with a big V8.
Yeah.
5 liter. I mean, my car's 3.8. It's just building the power the whole way. There's no. It doesn't spool quick enough to hit you. Like
Right.
that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it just carries and just keeps carrying like crazy.
Woo.
Wow. Honestly, it feels very solid too.
It does. It's like you can drive this like a daily.
I don't know what they're priced at, but we'll have the listing of this and the link to Champion's website in the description. Check it out because honestly, you could daily this.
Oh yeah.
And then
when you want to,
like be a sleeper and destroy anybody. Wow, that is nuts feeling. I like this.
wow.
A manual would be ridiculous.
See, like that's what I'm saying. It would be sweet. I know it wouldn't be as fast, but being able to control the manual and your gearing.
Yeah, but especially, I'm surprised the transmission shifts as well as it does.
It's
because this is
pretty
not
smooth.
the newest. You know, it's not a dual clutch in the Shelby, and it's not the 10-speed that you get in the new car. But that's impressive. I'm sure it's built up, so that's probably why.
Ease into it.
Yeah.
I will say you'll be able to handle this.
Hopefully, it's still rear-wheel drive.
Yeah. I'm kind of nervous being in this seat. How does that feel compared to the Supra? Because it's rear-wheel drive, doesn't have as much horsepower, it weighs probably less, but
yeah,
I mean, from your perspective of rear wheel,
the Supra hits 560 wheel at less than 2,000 RPM. This probably doesn't have that much power at that RPM. The Supra hits instantly and spins like crazy. It's a much more tossable car. This car is very slow to build, but really carries you.
I like that noise. I mean, it can take some turns here.
Yeah, it feels really nice.
Not doing anything crazy.
Alright, we have a nice straight.
We have a straight, yeah. So really experience it.
Alright, so I'll drop it to around 40, give a little bit of gas. Wow. Takes the
Isn't that crazy?
Takes the breath out. Wow.
It's not that crazy from the passenger seat. It's hard to like anticipate when you're getting on the gas.
It's definitely a nice gradual acceleration.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
That's not anything. You're still not doing anything crazy.
That was like a 40-mile-an-hour difference.
Yeah.
In a couple seconds. This car moves like
it's fast.
I'm actually like my whole body has that nervous feeling. Like it's like the first time I did launch in the G-Charge, just like
I think it's the anticipation. I think you can get on it a little bit more. You haven't quite reached what I did.
Holy crap. That was good enough. We're good.
Yeah, we're good. Wow. We stayed straight today.
Yeah. I think, that might be enough acceleration just because,
I
mean, not only is it 100 out, though I'm sweating for that reason, but man.
It's handling the temps well.
Oh yeah, all the temps are staying good.
Yeah.
I'm surprised, I didn't look at the tires, but they are hooking very well.
We didn't have much of any. So that's going to be louder because I got my window down, but.
It's cool, that's cool.
What do you think? Front exit exhaust on your car now?
That'd be much louder. It's not as loud as I was expecting.
It's louder on the startup. Like the cold start out this morning.
And I know with like the supercar world, like McLaren's versus the Lamborghini, the exhaust tone is just not even that loud.
Yeah.
I would assume, I'm guessing, this turbo setup definitely muffles a lot of that V8 that you hear in a Mustang.
Yeah.
So it doesn't have that traditional Mustang sound
really.
at all.
I haven't noticed that.
It doesn't sound like a muscle car. It sounds like a turbocharged sports car of some sort.
Yeah. And that's crazy because, I mean, it's like right there.
Yeah.
So
I guess there's not even enough exhaust piping to even make any noise.
Yeah.
So it's pretty quiet, but you just hear so much turbo and that kind of motor sound.
Why don't you get one last good
did not die. So give us a thumbs up for that alone, because that's always a good sign if you're in a Mustang. You don't die, especially with this kind of power.
Yeah.
But it hooks pretty well, and I'm sure if you're actually full throttling, I don't even.
Oh, you're gonna be winning some races.
Yeah, you're gonna hit 6 digits without even remotely thinking.
6 digits.
My concentration isn't even here. 6.
I mean, if we're doing 6 digits,
I don't even know the
that'd
word.
be a whole nother level.
3 digits.
3 digits.
Triple digit speed. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
All right, we'll tap the gas up the hill, and then that'll be it.
Right.
Cool car. We've never been in a turbo Mustang aside from the EcoBoost, but that.
Yeah.
I mean, that doesn't even count.
Give it a little bit more juice here. A little more.
That was good. Oh man.
All right. Well, guys, yeah, check out Champion Car Company because they get in some cool stuff like this.
Yeah.
And if you're looking to be the king of the drag strip,
Smoke everybody.
and put the kids in the back seat.
Take them to school and then go smoke every supercar.
You know, I'm a little dizzy.
I need to take a chill actually.
I'm a little dizzy. But yeah, give the video a huge thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, stay tuned for plenty more awesome car reviews that we have coming on the channel. Anything else to add?
I think we'll see you guys
All right.
next video.
Watch it.